Hello and welcome to Financial. Today we are here with a new video on how to log in into Rapid Finance account. So if you are new, you are subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of the choice, and in the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. You just need to type Rapid Finance Login and you need to click enter in the keyboard. After that, the first search result will be shown to you, that is sign in. You just need to click on this first search result and the sign in portal will be shown to you. You just need to accept their cookies first. So there are two options for you to sign in, that is as a client or as a partner. So in order to log in into the account, you just need to sign in as client. You just need to click on the sign in button that is just below the clients as shown here, and the portal will be open to you. You just need to use your username or your email. After that, you just need to enter the password, and when you have entered both your username or email and your password, you can just click on the login that is on the right side, and you will be able to log in into the Rapid Finance account successfully, and you will be able to use all the facilities and services provided to you by Rapid Finance. And if you have forgotten your password, you can just click down here. Here is the text that says forgotten password, and you just need to click here and you will be able to retrieve your password or change your password. So this is how you can easily log in into Rapid Finance account. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.